Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone, depending on the time zone from where you are watching me from. All right, today I'm going to be showing you guys a simple technique here in the use of Archicad software, how to model or how to design a groovy wall groovy. This kind of design, I know you are is regular in any modern building design. I'm going to show you guys how to do it easily. Like I always do, I use a pre-designed building of my choice. I'll show you the end note of this. So work with me, guys. So you select your wall, come to the dialog setting, then you have its model. Click on the log details. The log details. The different wall groovy designs are not yet activated because we are yet to activate it. To activate it, click on use log wall. One is already activated. One of this design. So I can go with this, and there you have it. Now I would want us to increase the spaces between the lines. Increasing the spaces between the lines, go back to your log design. You can make it 300 or 400 or 500 depending on what you want. And you see the spaces increase. You can do both edges. It's pretty easy to do. So this is how to do a simple wall groovy design using the Archicad software. If you want me to do the other edge, I will quickly click on this and log design, make it 400. So this is how to do your wall groovy design using the Archicad software. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the link from this channel. Follow up for more tips on the use of Archicad software. I know you guys want to see the end note of this building. I already did it. I'm going to show you just one click away. So this is the end note. This is what I did for a client days ago. So this is how it looks. This is the finishing touches. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And if you have any personal question, you can send me a message. I'm always here to guide you. See you next time.